Session on polynomials, as because we have moved ahead now with some remainder theorem and factor theorem. Herein we learn how to factorize the polynomials by using the factor theorem. Let us take up examples to understand that. This is equivalent to actually be doing using the middle term splitting method. Suppose the first question reads as 5 square minus 5x plus 6. You need to factorize by using the factor theorem. Now, using the factor theorem means what? When we are finding out the factors, this would either come as y minus a or it will come as y minus b once we find the factors. Now, this term 6 will actually be ab. This term 6, that's a constant, will be ab. So we will now look for the factors of 6 and see if that being the 0 of the polynomial given or not. So the factors of 6 can be like 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. Let's see if P1 is a factor or not. So P1 will be 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. So no, it is not, because had it been a factor, this remainder should have been 0, because we have applied the remainder theorem here to see if they are the factors or not. So I'm now taking up P2, so that's giving 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, that's giving me 4 minus sorry 10, that is minus 6 plus 6, that's 0. So P2 is a factor, that makes y minus 2 a factor, because 2 is giving us the remainder 0. Now try with 3. So 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, it's 9 minus 15, yeah, it's plus minus 6 plus 6, that's 0. Similarly, y minus 3 is also a factor. We already got two factors. That means what? Y square minus 5y plus 6 can be expanded as product of the factors y minus 2 and y minus 3. So these are the factors. Though this could have been done by splitting the middle term, which is minus 5y. We now take up a question with 4 terms. I write the question which reads, factorize when we have 4 terms, we first have to locate the first possible factor. We also will do the same here, trying to find the factors of the constant, which is minus 120. So the factors will be actually many: plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 6, not 7, no, not 8, yeah, plus minus 8, not 9, 10, yeah, plus minus 10, then again plus minus 12. I can go on with, it's divisible by 15 as well, with 20 as well. So although I might not need this many, we have to now trial the first couple of them just to see if they are the factors or not. So I'll take plus 1 first. So it is 1 square minus 23 1 square plus 142 1 minus 120. So this is giving me 1 minus 23 plus 142 minus 120. So it's minus 22 plus 22, that's 0. That means what? X minus 1 is now a factor of the given polynomial. X minus 1 is a factor. Once we get to know one factor, we can split this given polynomial such that x minus 1 is common in all the terms. Let's see how that's done. Split such that, keeping in mind in both the terms you take whatever common, you will be left with x minus 1. So if I take x square common, I will be left with x minus 1. Here what I do is, I need a minus 1, so I take 22x square minus plus, I can take 22x will give me it's 22x. If I take a minus, it will again be x minus 1. Okay, I'm trying to split up all the terms, because see, x3 is remaining x3. Now minus 23x square is split as minus x square minus 22x square. That's giving me minus 23x square. Now I'm splitting 142x, but these are all to be paired, right? Out of 142x, I have written 22. That's remaining with 120 plus 120x, and let 120 be as it is. Now you see, if I take x square common, I will be left with x minus 1. Here if I take a 22x common, I again be left with a, I take a plus, x minus 1, right? Again here I take a 120 common, so will be left with x minus 1. Thereby making x minus 1 a factor, and the rest of it, that is x square minus 22x plus 120 be another factor. Now this being one factor, if we factorize this part, that is x square minus 22x plus 120 by simple middle term splitting, that will give us two more factors. Let's do that. If I split this here, it becomes x square minus, I need 120, so 12x minus 10x plus 120. So it is x minus 12 minus 10, then x minus 12. So this is x minus 10, x minus 12, and previously we had this x minus 1 as factor. So the given polynomial we got has three factors, that is x minus 10, x minus 12 and x minus 1. Otherwise, if this method doesn't seem to be comfortable, you might take on to one more method. I take up another question to give you the method which can just be more comfortable maybe. Suppose the fx is given as 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30, which says in this question I'm trying to make out that is 30. Okay, 30 can be 5 and 6, the factors I'm talking about, 2, 10, 15 and obviously 1, 3 and 30 itself. I'm now trying with 1, if that's a factor or not. Trying with 1 will give us 2 1 cube minus 3 1 square minus 17 into 1 plus 30. So it is 2 minus 3 minus 17 plus 30. So that I don't think is giving us a 0, because minus 1 minus 17 will give you a minus 18 plus 30 will leave us with some value. So 1 is not a factor. We try with 2 now. So 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 17 into 2 plus 30. So 2 to 4 to 8, 8 into 60, 8 into 2 16, minus 2 to 4, 4 3 12, minus 17 into 2, that is 34 plus 30. So 16 minus 12 is 4. 4 minus 34 is minus 30. So minus 30 plus 30 is 0. That makes us know that x minus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial. Now what we do here is you divide that. Otherwise, taking that common splitting method and taking something common that would give us the rest of the polynomial which can be factorized, as we saw in the previous question. What you do here, I simply tell you, divide this polynomial with the factor which we have now got, that is x minus 2. Divide it here by x minus 2. Once you divide it, you see, you divide that, that will give you some 2x square. If I give you 2x square, that's remaining with 2x cube minus, I think, 4x square. That's leaving us with x square minus 17x plus 30 plus x. So get x square plus 2x, thereby cancelling this, it is kind of, it is minus, sorry, this should have been a minus. So if I add a plus, that's minus 15x plus 30, and there will be a minus 15. So I will get a cancelled all the values, the remainder becomes 0. Now we factorize this quotient. So it is by middle term splitting. Now how do we do this middle term splitting? 15 to 30, 5, 6, 30, okay. So it is plus 6x minus 5x minus 15. So we get a 2 common, which gives us x plus, 2x can be taken common, that is 3 minus, I take a 5 common, that will also give me a plus 3. They were giving us 2 more factors, as they are 2x minus 5 and x plus 3. So the 3 factors are now along with x minus 2. Hope you followed that. Thank you.